Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to cover a quick and essential formatting trick in Excel: how to put multiple columns under a single header. Let's say you have a spreadsheet with several categories and you want to create one overarching title that sits perfectly centered above all of them. Here is the most efficient way to do it. First, type your main header text into the single cell right above the first column you want to group. Next, click and drag your mouse to select that cell, along with the empty cells directly next to it, covering the exact width of the columns you are grouping. Now navigate to the Home tab on the top ribbon. Look for the alignment group and click on the button that says Merge and Center. Instantly, those individual cells are combined into one large cell, and your text is centered perfectly above your data columns. To make your spreadsheet look even more professional, keep that new merged cell selected and add a border or a subtle background color so your new main header stands out. That is all there is to it. A fast and clean way to organize your spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward daily guides to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.